Heart attack and cardiac arrest. These are two terms and two different conditions of your heart. Well, we hear these two all the time, often used interchangeably. But do you know that both of these are not the same? Yes, they are actually different. Both are life-threatening emergencies, but they have different causes and require very different treatment. Well, in today's video, I will clear up all the confusion once and for all. You will learn what causes a heart attack versus a cardiac arrest, how to spot the symptoms, what to do in each situation, and how to protect yourself and your loved ones. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhuri Vash and I gladly welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can get so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and holistic treatment of several chronic diseases. Okay, so now come to the main topic. Let's start with definitions. See, a heart attack is also called a myocardial infarction. It is a circulation problem. It happens when blood flow to the part of the heart is blocked, usually by a clot or plaque buildup in the coronary arteries. On the other hand, a cardiac arrest is an electrical problem. It happens when the heart's electrical system malfunctions, which is commonly observed in arrhythmias, causing it to stop beating properly or stop altogether. So in short, I would say that a heart attack is a plumbing issue while a cardiac arrest is an electrical failure. Now let's discuss the causes of both. See, heart attack and cardiac arrest both have very different pathologies. A heart attack can be caused by coronary artery disease, plaque buildups in the coronary arteries, blood clots from ruptured plaques and spars in coronary artery. On the other hand, a cardiac arrest can be caused by ventricular fibrillations, a type of irregular heart rhythm, ventricular tachycardia, when the lower chamber of heart beats too fast to pump well, a clinical history of heart attack, a genetic condition like long QT syndrome, drug overdose and trauma. Now let's talk about the symptoms of both. Heart attack symptoms can develop over minutes or hours. Its symptoms include chest pain or pressure. You may feel squeezing or heaviness, pain in the arm, jaw, neck or back, shortness of breath, sweating, nausea or vomiting, and lightheadedness. On the other hand, cardiac arrest symptoms are immediate and dramatic. Its symptoms include sudden collapse, no pulse, no breathing, and loss of consciousness. Well, one is gradual and the other is sudden. Alright, I have shared very important information on heart attack versus cardiac arrest. Immediate medical care is required whether it is a heart attack or cardiac arrest. See, cardiac issues are complicated and modern medicines have no cure for them. They treat the disease with some heavy medicines and surgeries. However, all these causes severe side effects in the long run of the treatment. I know you are worried and it's obvious to get worried if someone is struggling with such a life-threatening issue. But now you need not to worry. Your cardiac issues can be treated well with natural and holistic medicines. In heart disease, proactive and holistic care can do wonders as it invigorates the system, improves energy levels and reduces plaque buildup naturally. Bharat Homeopathy medicine is safe, effective and brings results in the shortest possible time without causing any side effects. It targets the root cause of the disease and treats it from within. Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of cardiac patients worldwide and we are continuously working in the same line to bring holistic relief. We are a team of experienced doctors who prescribe a personalized and customized treatment after a proper case taking. Cardiac issues are now easy to treat. Just embrace Bharat Homeopathy medicines and notice a significant improvement in your condition. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much.